Jen. Yo! Ufana kagama. Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we examine music. We break down the Malaysia, try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we encourage others, we inspire people. Basically, we post non toxic Zion content. But I don't know what happened. My knee is sore. Itolo lami. Anywho, what is up, bro? As I'm shooting this video, we are currently sitting on 459. Yay! Hey! We are 41 subscribers away from 500. Can't believe this is happening. So, hey, guys, today we are reacting to Inyoni. Inyoni, the one and only Inyoni. Bebase Newcastle, like Kamalangoma was at Titoam, Katogi commemoration service. I got from this band, but yeah, so James Boya. So they posted videos, and I'm like, hey, some videos are like 10 minutes, others are like 15. I'm like, yo, I think it's been a while since I've made like a super long, more than 30 minutes worth of a reaction. But if I do that, there's just no good. I won't really pause a lot. So I still reacting to this. And yeah, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. I need you guys to understand this. To the newer generation, intanga zami wena 2000 ukuya phezulu. Yeah, I think it's from 2000 ukuya phezulu. Give me a second, y'all. Hey, yo, sorry for that. Sorry for that. I had to answer the call. Yeah. So, John Bengisha from 2000 ukuya phezulu, because I know maybe a lot of 2000 wouldn't know. But the Awela Union is one of the first big churches in Zion. One of, I'm not saying it's only, no, it's one of the old, like super old, like very old church. And then obviously the rest followed. But yeah, so in Talk, we have to cover and uncover a lot of history. And from what I've heard, bro, there's a lot to unpack. So we learn to Inyonini. Were you using a microphone for the bass and okay, for the bass, cool. I wouldn't care less, bro. Yo, how is this normal? Like, we have normalized singing without a microphone to a point where it just sounds unreal. Like, it sounds unreal right now. It sounds unreal. listen. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. Listen to how the bass carried that second. Like the way the bass carried their own section is insane, bro. Kule Woza Thixo wethu. The way the bass carried that line, that whole segment, oh dog, it is insane, bro. It is insane to see what human voices can do. Like it's yo, man, I feel like I'm tripping right now. And then you listen to the way he leader a first party back. And I think I'm not sure if kune male back or high tenor. Sometimes I do get confused. Ngaleyo thule. But damn. Eh, Bafethu Enyonini, you have to respect this church, bro. Nah, another one, bro. Nah, all that experience. Bro, this can't be normal, man. This is a lie. This is a lie to my ears and everybody else who has watched this. It's a lie. It's a lie. These people are playing with us, bro. Bro, how? Just how? And that's the crazy part. It's the fact that with multiple people, with multiple singers, not only talking like collectively. Now, I ain't my collectively. It depends whatever voice group or vocal group they're in. I want like alto iten. Then kulma like individually with um female singers. I want to first part, nebashaya the higher part than lower first part or soprano and you having to hear them separately from the entire pack and not even mess up the song. Oh, sound of key. That was the lady, bro. This lady. Who is she? This lady. The one name supposed to go. This lady, bro. Let's listen to this, bro. Just listen to just how, bro? Or is she the backup? Y'all will have to forgive me. What are they saying? Yo, I'm been trying to catch that part and I'm not getting it. But yo, and you need please make sure you give me the lyrics to that section of that song. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Pardon me guys, ukuthi ngalong jump. I don't know, my knees sore. Like angas. Like my knee is painful. Yo, I could not get that last part. I was about to corner Amandla. So or something. Man, but yo, it is safe to say I don't think there's anybody that can outsing Zion. It must be said. I don't think there's any. I am willing to stand here 10 toes and say I don't think there's anyone who can outsing Zion globally. Globally. Nobody. Just because Zion is not well known, world known, does not mean it's not good. I don't think there's anyone who can outsing Zion. Guys in Kubi Malanga Panche. Yo. Hey. But hey, I don't know what happened to my knee, y'all. So please, if you do like the content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share to others. So, yo, in the favorite words of who Mr. Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios.